All right, today I have a Kia Telluride, and I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the windshield wipers, as well as the rear window wiper and the rear window washer and the windshield washer. I'm going to show you how to do all of that. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so I'm inside of the Kia Telluride. In order to turn on the windshield wipers, I'm going to look through the steering wheel, and you see this lever right here. This lever right here is the lever for the windshield wipers. I'm going to go through it with you. All right, so right here, I have the lever that is used to control. Okay, so we're in the off position right now. It's lined up with the off position. In order to turn it on, I'm going to show you a couple of ways. Now you have the mist feature. So say for instance you get a mist on your windshield, you just take this, push it up, and it wipes one time, and then it stops after I release the lever. So I just did like that and released it, and it stopped, and it went back to the off position right here. Okay, so now I am in the off position right here. Oh no, it was off. There we go. Now it's in the off position. So it's in the off position now. Now that I'm going to take the same lever and go down one until I get to the interval selection right here. So if I do it like that, it is an interval right here. And I can adjust the interval with this lever right here. This is for interval. This is a low speed, and that is a high speed for the interval right here. Okay, it wipes it more frequently with the high interval, less all the way at the bottom. I have selections all the way through, low to high. Okay, so now that's the interval. Now if you want the manual mode, you just take the same lever and you go down one from the interval, which is low setting. So now it is in the low setting, and you can see it's going low. And then for that torrential rainfall, I'm going to go ahead and put it to the high position by going all the way down. So now it is in the high position. Okay, and when I'm done, if it stops raining and I want to turn it off, I'll just take this lever and just pull it all the way up and then release it, and the windshield wipers stop. Okay, so that is that. Now I'm going to go to the rear window. Okay, so with the rear window, you just go to the end of the lever right here, and you just take this and you twist it into the low position, and in the back you get the low wiping going on. You see that? All right, and if I want the high, I just go right here, and now the high is going right there. You see that? And when I'm done, I just take this and go ahead and do it off. Now with that said, I'm going to show you how to do the windshield washing. Okay, the rear window washing, I'm gonna do that first, and then I'm gonna do the front windshield washing. Okay, so I'm gonna go do the rear window. I'm gonna take this lever and I'm gonna push it forward, and it washes the rear window. Fluid comes out. If there's some in there, I think there's none in there, so nothing's coming out. But when I want to do the front windshield, I'll take the same lever and I'll pull it towards me, and windshield washer fluid should come out if you have some in there. Okay, and when I'm done, I just release it and it goes back to normal, to the off position right there. So that is how you turn on and off the windshield wipers and washers in this Kia Telluride. Hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.